Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to add numbers. So for example, I will create numbers in it and create. And then I will add number by using these rows. You can type equal and then you can select for the number. I will select this 12 plus icon and then I will plus with this number and then you can press enter to add these two numbers. Okay, to add number you can type equal. Now we can select the number plus icon. I will click again in it, plus again, and you can click at the number, press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to add numbers. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.